Hello, today we will demonstrate how to build a physical neural network with levers and pinpoints only. For the simplicity of the project, a simple dataset has been chosen. For this project, we're using a dataset with male and female height and weight. The goal of the neural network is to determine the sex of birth of a person based on their height and weight. The data requires some cleaning before you use to feed the neural network for training. In this project, all dataset with height of over 250 centimeters and weight of over 150 kilograms are removed. Also, the dataset are normalized for a value between 0 and 1 to avoid complication of training a neural network. The word neural network is a simple two linear layer neural network with the linear layer feed with a ReLU activation function and a sigmoid activation function, respectively. In total, there are 16 neurons in this net. After 50 epochs of training, with over 3,000 training data and 300 test data, we are able to train a neural network with a loss value less than 0.337. We're able to achieve an accuracy of 86% in the trained dataset, and a precision for both male and female over 85%. We are also able to provide similar results using a test dataset, proving the neural network is not overtrained at all. Finally, the weight and the biases of the neural networks are printed out and saved in a separate file for use when we implement our physical neural network later. With 2D physics engines such as PyMonk and PyGame in Python, we can easily implement a simulation of pivots and lever using codes in Python. After countless amount of debugging and coding, I have devised the following physical neural network. Think of a seesaw. Whenever you go up on one side, it goes down on the other side. And when you go down on one side, it goes up on the other side. This effectively acts as an inverter. If you move the seesaw pivot left or right, you effectively turn the inverter become a scalar of your choice. If you attach the pivot of one inverter into another inverter, you can allow it to become an adder. You can also twist the lever a bit to make it an activation function. If you combine everything together, you got yourself a functioning neuron. If you combine multiple neurons together, you basically got yourself a functional neural network. As you can see, this is the neural network that we just have, but we converted it into a physical neural network. As I increase the weight and height, it increasingly detects it as a male, and as you can see, the output changed from female to male. This is an indication of this physical neural network is working, and there you have it. We implemented a physical neural network with only levers and pivots.